Let's learn how to fix this problem, whereby whenever you press the Google Assistant button on your remote, this Google Assistant button, and it brings you the voice input is off. Okay, let's learn how to solve that problem on your TCL Google TV. What you're going to do is you're going to press the settings button on your remote so that you have this on your right, and then you're going to press OK on all settings. Okay, now when you do that, you're going to see this. You're going to move down to the account segment right there. Then you press OK on accounts and sign in. Now your particular account is that. Now you're going to press OK on it, okay, so that you can have this. Then you're actually going to move down, okay, move down to Google Assistant option. You see that right there, the Google Assistant. Press OK on Google Assistant. So thing is, find what to watch, get info, and control your TV by voice. You can actually see right now it's actually toggled off. So all you got to do to solve that problem, you got to press OK to turn it on. Now when you turn it on and then you come back, okay, you come back and now use your TV remote and use the Google Assistant button, okay, this Google Assistant button, you press it, the problem won't be there anymore. You can see that already.